Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and these are some seeds that I won from Garden State Gardener. This is Sweet California Wonder Pepper and the Rainbow Carrot Mix. I'm excited to try the Rainbow Carrot Mix. But these are seeds that I'm going to be sharing with the community garden. As probably most of my viewers know, that when I do win seeds, I share them with the community garden because I don't have a place to grow. Plus, I can also help my community at the same time. So these will be shared with the community garden and probably grown next year. All right, everybody, stay safe. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.